Do you think that anyone has ever tried to change this situation? Yes, many people have tried. People are trying even today. But it is not easy to change this. One such person was Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi ji had a friend Mahadev Bhai Desai. Mahadev Bhai's son Narayan was stayed with Gandhi ji when he was young. This incident is from Narayan's book. So first of all uh, mm, I want to tell you that this is an incident from Narayan's book. Narayan Bhai has written a book. This is the incident of from his book, and I want to show you the picture. This is Mahatma Gandhi, this is Mahadev Bhai Desai, and this is Narayan Desai. But you know that this is the childhood of Narayan Desai. Here, Narayan Desai is with his father Mahadev Bhai Desai. This is Gandhi ji. Now we will read the incident. Remember those days when Narayan or Babla was about 11 years old. He was staying in Gandhiji's ashram, Sabarmati ashram. Like everyone else in ashram, he had to do the various kind of work. One of his job was to teach the guest how to clean the toilets. In those days, the toilets were not what we know today. There There used to be holes under which baskets were kept. People sat on the holes. Later, the basket had to be lifted by hand to be emptied. It was the usual practice that people from a particular community would do this work. But in Gandhiji's ashram, every person had to carry the basket to the compost pit and empty it there. No one was excused for this task, not even the guest. Not even the guest. Narayan Bhai remembers how some people used to try and avoid this work. Some even left the ashram because of this. Some years later, Gandhiji went to stay at a village near Wardha in Maharashtra. Gandhiji, Mahadev Bhai, and others started to clean the toilets in the village. They did this for some months. On one morning, a man coming from the toilet saw Mahadev Bhai. He pointed to him and said, There is a lot of dirt over there. Go and clean that." When Babla saw this, means his son Narayan Bhai, he was very angry. He thought the villagers felt that this was not their work. This was for Gandhiji and his team to do. He asked Gandhiji why this was so. Gandhiji replied, "Untouchability is a serious matter. Lot of hard work will be required to change this." Narayan knew that the people who usually did this work were thought to be untouchable. He asked, what is the use if the village people do not change their thinking? They have become used to someone else doing this work for them." Gandhiji replied, "Why don't you think the people who clean also benefit from it? They also they also learn a lesson. To clean something is like learning a new skill, even if it is a cleaning job." Little Narayan was not convinced. He again argued, "Those who make a place dirty but do not clean it should also learn lesson." Gandhiji and Narayan continued to argue about this, but when he grew up, Narayan always followed the path shown by Gandhiji. From the book of Gujarati by Narayan Bhai Desai. Some questions are here. Why did Gandhiji and his team start doing the job of cleaning? What do you think about this? Do you know any such people in your area who try to help others in solving their problem? Find out and discuss in the class. Watch some other questions. Now I will give you the answer of all these questions. So this is the answer number 1. Answer of this question. It was a usual practice that people from a particular community would do the job of cleaning. These people were considered as untouchable and were hosted by the other people. Gandhiji wanted to remove this practice of untouchability from the society and also wanted the people to respect each other. Thus, Gandhiji and his team started doing the job of cleaning themselves so that people can learn from them. This is the answer number 2. Yes, there is a lady in our colony who has started an NGO. This NGO is working for the cleanliness of the roads, drains, etc. The people working in the NGO personally clean and sweep the road and drains, and thus they are helping others in solving their problems. Next question. What are the toilet arrangement in your house? Where is the toilet? Inside the house or outside? Who cleans the toilet? The answer is in our house there is provision of a modern and concert toilet with which is located inside the house. The toilet has a flush system. It has a small water tank with a button. On pushing the button, the water rushes out with speed and flushes away the stool and urine. It is cleaned by a sweeper every day. This is the next question. How did the man who was returning from the toilet behave with Mahadev Bhai? Why did he behave like this? The man who was returning from the toilet talked with Mahadev Bhai in an insulting way and treated him feeling of hatred. He thought that the people who clean the toilet are from a very low community and are untouchables. Thus, they should be treated like this. Next question. How do people generally behave with those people who cleans toilet and drains? The answer is people generally behave with those people who clean the toilet and drains in an insulting way, as they consider them untouchables and those belonging to a low community. They dislike and avoid to touch or allow them to enter their kitchen or other rooms of the houses expect the toilet. So, dear students, this was the third part of the chapter that we have read just now. So we will meet in the fourth part of the chapter. Till then, have a nice day.